Of course, we are on a mission to bringing true decentralized cryptocurrency to every human being on the planet, kind of. So our slogan, what we do is we are creating crypto for humans. That has two aspects, the crypto aspect and the human aspect. So when it comes to cryptocurrency, and you just mentioned Bitcoin as the original, as the first cryptocurrency, follows a certain philosophy. And those can be summarized as the fundamental pillars of crypto, which is crypto is neutral, open, borderless, decentralized, and censorship resistant. That are the true fundamentals of a digital decentralized currency that is as it should be. That is the true crypto way of doing things and handling payments. But on the other hand, we can't forget that there is not only this technical side, but there's also this fundamental human side to it. And there are intrinsic needs or things that people want to see covered. So that means it needs to be easy to use. Just make it easy for people to access, be part of it, and use it. It needs to be fast because no one wants to wait very long. It needs to be practical, so I can actually use it as a means of payment in my everyday life. So I have this really low barrier of entry, so that people actually are incentivized to use it for their everyday payments when they go out and buy bread or go to the supermarket. And on top of that, we are fully aware that eco-friendliness and sustainability is a very important part. And that is why we're developing Nimiq 2.0, our proof of stake consensus algorithm. So that means that we are living up to the eco-friendly aspect of what, it's in our nature that we want the planet to be sustainable. So it's still here for future generations. And that means remaining on proof of work and spending a lot of energy is just nothing that is the right thing, what we should do. So that is something that we are also achieving with Nimiq 2.0. And last but not least, we believe that humans also want to do good. So if I have two choices, and there's one choice which is focused on making money and profits, and there is this other project that actually has this DNA of doing something valuable, giving back to the society and doing something good. And while using it, you can be part of this movement. And I'm really extremely happy that this actually became part of the movement. So people who are following us, our community, is embracing this idea of being charitable, doing something good, and being able in the future to contribute to a positive societal development and supporting projects like Team Trees or Team Seas, what we recently did. And we believe for us as a project, this is a good thing to do. This is a desirable thing to do. And it's a noble thing to do. And that's why we're all happy that we pursue this path.